Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. I have a package from Sydney Grace. I don't really know much about Sydney Grace, but it's an indie company, and they make makeup. And Laura the Bargain Hunter opened some of their eyeshadows that she received in a gift, and they were just stunning. So that made me go look at the website, and they have beautiful things, y'all. And their shadows, they sell the shadows individually. They sell other kinds of makeup as well. But some of their shadows are like $15 for one for a duochrome. So I looked at the website and they have some bargains, and they still have these bargains going on now. So go check it out. They have mystery bags, and I believe at one time they had 6 different mystery bags to choose from. When I went in, there were only 3 options left, and I looked before I filmed this, and there's still 3 options left. And then also there is the grab bag of shadows, which is supposed to be 10 shadows. So let's open this. I did cut it. Oh, okay, it's gonna open this way. All right, and there's a quick sneak peek in there. There's a little tissue in there. Oh, okay. This is my mystery bag. Isn't that beautiful? And then this is my shadows. This was called the Grab Bag of Shadows, and it was $20, and there's supposed to be 10 shadows in here. So let's see what that's all about. Let me open the box. Has a nice seal on it. Where my little razor thing is. Let's see, I'll use this. Okay. All right, there's a seal right here. And I don't know where my little razor thing went, so, okay. So this has some tissue in there. Oh, and there's a bunch of shadows in there. All right, let me pour them out. Okay, very nicely cushioned, so that was good. That kept them from having any damage, hopefully. All right, and like I said, I don't know much about them. These are beautiful. It looks, they don't have names on them, but I think I got some duochromes in here. All right, let's see. This is a light one, so, all right, that's beautiful. Let's see if there's a name. I don't see, oh, the name is on the back. And then you'll put this in a Z palette. You know, this one is Heart and Soul. Heart and Soul. And oops, okay. That is a nice base kind of a color there. I don't think I'm gonna open every one of these up like this because it'll take all day. So let me see, some of them look the same. Or very similar anyway. Those look like they're all duochromes. All right, let's see. This one is Taffy. That's beautiful. A beautiful neutral. I'm putting it back in the sleeve so I don't lose that. This one is Mountain Range. Look at how pretty that is. That is like a purple, but I don't know. We'll swatch some of these here in a minute. This one, there's a lot of purplies in here, which is nice. I like that. This one is Don't Quit. Don't Quit. Let's just swatch that right now. That's gorgeous. You see that? Look at how pretty that is. Don't Quit. Now, I don't know that I have an available Z palette. I may have to buy one. There's that beautiful color. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. I have some wipes right here. And then I have these two. See, they look very similar, but I can see they're different. This one is You Can. That's like a burgundy, a lighter burgundy. These colors are just up my alley. I don't know how they knew. And this one is Sugar Bear. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me a Z palette. I don't think I have an available one. And they did sell the Z palette on there, but I didn't think to grab one. All right, and then I have these 4. See, there's shimmers going on in here. And let's see what they're about. They're gorgeous. They look a little similar, so I'm not sure. All right, hang on. This one has a little... something older. There's something on this that I can't read it. Anyway, I don't know what that says, but let's swatch it. It goes well with this other. It looks like it might be a multi-chrome kind of a thing because it has, see that stuff in there? Let's see. Maybe not. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love the color. And they're so, that's when Laura was swatching them, they were just like butter. So I'm like, I gotta have some of those. So let's see these other 2. They're very similar. But that's, you know, good for your working together and all. This is called Cranberry Boy. I can see some cranberry in there, but it also looks a little purpley to me. You take it out of the sleeve. They are different. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm crazy about these. All right, this one. This one is called Galaxy of Dreams. Galaxy of Dreams. See, when I'm looking at them down here, they all look very similar, but when you swatch them, they're different. How beautiful. But, you know, they're, let me see. Yeah, they do look different in the light. Oh, goodness, is that gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, all right, there's one more. There's more, but I'm not going to swatch all of them. I'm just going to swatch this because it looks like a multi-chrome. It's called Something Freely. There's, it's just a little dirty from the powder. Delivered freely, maybe? Delivered freely? See, doesn't that, to me, these look very similar, but they do perform differently. Okay, so, yeah. Oh my goodness. See how that was just like butter. Oh, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. All right, so this cost $20 for the 10 shadows. And it is, a lot of these are $15, maybe a little bit less on the website separately. So, you know, what a bargain. $2 a piece. $2 a piece, y'all. So I've got to get me a Z palette to be able to put all these in. Yeah, they're gorgeous, gorgeous. So anyway, all right, let me put those aside for the moment. And let's look at the mystery bag. First of all, look how pretty this is. I could see in the picture that it had a bag, but the picture didn't do it justice. Look at that gorgeous bag. And this is blue, a blue, you know, pleather, but it's stamped Sydney Grace there. And they had several different to pick from. So it was some of it was based on coloring. And there was one called light blue and dark blue. And I believe I picked the light blue. It didn't mean the bag, I don't think necessarily. But what's inside, I think is going to be more for a lighter complexion if I remember correctly. So, oh, but this, y'all, this feels like butter itself. It feels like real leather, but you know how they make things today. I'm sure it's not. They couldn't afford to give this to me for, what did I pay? I paid $17.50 for this. Okay, let's see what's in there. So very nice, beautiful zipper. I love the bag. Love, love, love the bag. Oh, there's a Z palette in there. All right, I'm just going to take, well, maybe I can't take everything out. $17.50 for this? Oh my goodness, y'all need to get right on there. I may have to go get the other bags, even if they're not for my coloring. My goodness. goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. There's there's 6 shadows. We'll look quickly. That's a duochrome of some sort. Look at that gorgeous one. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. And then this is bigger, so this must be a highlighter or a blush. It's a highlighter. Oh, is it beautiful? So that card, you know, see, it's been sitting a while, so what a gorgeous highlighter though. And let's see what else we got. Oh my goodness, y'all. Okay, it looks like a 9-pan Z palette. And there's their logo and design. And yeah, there's a mirror on one side and that'll hold 9 pans. And then we have this, not sure what it is till I open it. Let's see, it says on the end, are you shores? Like you're at the shore at the beach. Are you shores? Oh, look at, I don't know what it is. It's dark in there. It's a pink tube and then it's dark, whatever's in there. It is, oh, it's like a gunmetal gray. It must be an eyeshadow. It doesn't say what it is. Oh, it does at the end here. It says at the end here. Oh, it's just saying, are you shores? And then there's some letters. And I didn't use it at all, but some of it has come out a little bit because it's very full. And it looks like, y'all, I don't want to keep this, so I don't want to touch that because it's a liquid eyeliner. I'm not going to use it, but you see how it did leak out a little bit? And it looks beautiful. I love gunmetal gray. It's one of my favorite colors, but I'm not going to keep this, so I'm going to put it back on, and I'll put it back in the box that I ripped. But maybe one of y'all would like that. Very nice. And then there's this little container, and this says Firelight Glow Pressed Pigment in a cute little container. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. That's a huge amount of stuff. Firelight Glow. And there's their pretty logo on there. It is sealed. And again, you know, this is gorgeous. But I have all those shadows and I am not going to use this because it's a loose powder. I have things like that already. I love, love, love the colors. But y'all, this... I don't know why I put that back in here, but I did. This was that gunmetal, and there is the highlight and 6 shadows and the Z palette. And this right here, this bag, this gorgeous bag, $17.50. I can't believe it. They did have others to pick from, y'all. So if you are interested, go to their website, Cindy Grace. I'll put it below. And thank y'all for stopping by to see what I got. I am completely impressed. It was, let me tell you what it was. It was $4 shipping. So I paid $36.85. 17, now hang on a minute. Didn't sound right. $17.50 and $20. Somehow I got a discount of $5.63. That might have been a Rakuten. That's what I was going to say. I bought all this with Rakuten. I have Rakuten money, and I used my Rakuten to pay for this. So I'm telling you, Rakuten is fantastic. You just shop, and it puts money in your account. And then every 3 months, they give you money. And this is stuff that I would not buy on my own. But I had extra money because I have Rakuten. So there you go. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to end this so that you can go. But I might swatch a few of these on my skin, on my face, because they're gorgeous. So if you're welcome to stick around if you want to. I'm going to put these in the little Z palette. But otherwise, count your blessings, everybody, and have a great day. Oh, these are so pretty. I had opened 6 of them, or 7 of them. Here's another. I did not swatch these. I didn't swatch the flat ones. So this is the highlighter. The highlighter is gorgeous. I'm not going to swatch that right now. It won't fit in my Z palette, so I'm not going to swatch that right now. Wow. Oh, these are gorgeous. I really want to do this one because I'd like to know what's going on in there. This is called Traveling Elegance. It just, I can see so much going on in there. Oh, wow. Like butter. Like butter. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And these, I love these. This bluish purple. There's a couple that are similar there. Who knows, it might even be the same because sometimes in a mystery box, you don't know what you're going to get. So this is Force of Nature. Okay, you see, these others all came together. And then this one is that Force of Nature. I love it. All right, y'all, that's going to be enough for now. And I thank you so much for stopping by and seeing this fabulous stuff. And I'll have the website below. And go check this out. Go check this out, y'all. Even with the shipping, it's well worth it. Thanks, y'all. Count your blessings.